Welcome back to another video of the Castle of Delusion of Mickey Mouse. First off, we might play this game. I think the silly tree that we played. I think. Oh, dude, I can't get up here. Okay, again. Oh, seriously, dude. Let me get up. Let me get up. Okay, better. Oh, so this might be the new one. I think. So they have more gems of these. What's this? Oh, that might be live, I think. Okay. What this thing does, what does it look like? It looks like toys. What? I don't believe it. Act 1.
Mickey emerged into a toy box of peril, another of the witch's illusions.
Oh man, I'm sorry guys. I just don't know if I should volume up or volume down. Or something else like that. Okay. Okay. So... Oh, what? How dare you? Oh, a life. Okay. Who is this guy? How dare you? Oh, okay. Just need to go up here. Oh, and then... Crouch. Of course I don't know. Maybe I should have used the plane to get up there, I think. Oh, bummer. I'll get that later. Okay. Oh, more guys now. Oh boy. And the live, another one. Oh, what's this?
Mickey had to move quickly and carefully.
Oh, I'm not moving.
Weren't playing fairly.
Oh, dude, what's this? Okay. I don't know what this is. Oh! Oh my god! I was so close. I don't know if this might be a death hit for me. Okay, that's a lie. The car might be a lie. Oh my god. Oh, I guess I get lucky. Come on. Don't you dare fall. You hear me? Don't you fall. Ooh. Oh, what's this? Alright, what's there? What is this? Oh! Whoa.
Now, Mickey knew how it felt to be a rabbit in a magic act.
That's weird, I guess. Alright, let me go here first. I don't know what this... Okay. Hooray! Okay. Alright. Why make it being from my life? Oh. Oh, who's this guy? I'm gonna do it. What? Hey! Come on, you're not real. Hey. Okay, that's weird. I thought I killed him for a second. Dude! I can't get over here! I keep bumping my head! No more of those. Okay. Hey. Dude. That's what you get. Okay. Oh, almost fell. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Okay, I'm almost there. Okay. Is this the wrong way? Oh, dude. This is the car. Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a key. Alright. But what does this box do? Wait, what? Oh, what? It was the clown? Oh, wait. I can go back. Too bummer. Okay. Yikes. Oh, man. I gotta keep moving forward. Oh boy! Oh man, hello robot. How was this destroyed? Come on. I'm getting too much. Oh, no, he blocked me. Oh dude. Oh my god, dude. What type of glitch? Well, looks like we did it. Man, I can't believe it. We get jumped out by the silly crown.
Moved onward into the land of toys. These playthings were somewhat less than playful.
Got it. Look at Betty. How dare you? Oh, wait. Come here. Could that be real? Wait. Oh, man. Okay, come on. Oh, wait, this is a... Oh, that's weird. Oh, this is supposed to... Oh. Oh, man, I can't reach the hook. Another one. Oh, what is this supposed to be? Am I supposed to keep moving forward, I think? Oh, I think so. What is this?
Our hero wasn't sure if he was upside down, downside up, or a bit of both.
What? That's so crazy. So close. Are you kidding me? I almost got it!
But in a topsy-turvy
Are you
world,
kidding me? Okay guys, I have to get rid of all these silly blocks. I'm in the blocks. Okay, that's weird. Okay, I got more marbles now. Here. Too easy. Okay. Ow. Again? Okay, I'm gonna kill this one. Come on. I missed it. Give me this. Woohoo! Who's this? I wait, what? I thought you killed him. How? Oh, I only have one star left, and then I'm gonna die. What is this? Excuse me? What's he supposed to do? What happened? Wait, what? Wait, oh, I can see the mirror over there. That's why. Wait. Okay. Dude, I was right there. I was right there this whole time, dude. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. Oh my god, dude. I'm sad with you. I'm gonna be dead. Again! Oh man. Whoa. Okay, finally. That was so long. Dude, I cannot believe it. Yeah. A. Act 3. Is this the boss, I think?
Into a new corner of the Castle of Illusion ran Mickey. But what was that odd green box?
Yeah.
It seemed chillingly familiar.
Oh boy. Is this a boss? Don't tell me.
Jack in the Box, of course.
Oh.
Oh no! Now I'm in trouble!
You gotta be kidding me. Wait. Oh, he's gonna step on me. That's oh, dude, you gotta be. Hey, what are you trying to do? Oh, that was so close. Oh, okay, I think I need to. I know what to do. Oh! I'm just going to my eyes. Okay, bad idea. Because I got hit by a chicken box. What's with the big crouch? Can you get me with it? Oh! Okay, I might get it now. Oh! Where's the thing to do? Keep falling in. Okay, good. Gotta wait for it. Dog. There you go. Okay, wait. Which one? Oh. William. Okay. Oh no, it's just seeing 4 of them now. Oh, that's it. Oh no, I died for a second. Oh man. Okay. Okay, come on. Come and get it. Take some of this. There you go. Okay, go. Oh, I didn't know. Hey. Quit doing it. Okay, I'm going over here. Oh. You have 1 health and that's it. Come on. Okay. This ends. Now! There you go.
The orange rainbow
Oh
gem.
my god.
Mickey's heart swelled with renewed hope.
Ooh.
But the quest to save Minnie was far from over.
It's the orange gem now. Woohoo! Mission accomplished. We have a red one and the orange one now. How good is that?
The second rainbow gem was safely gathered, but Mickey had no time to congratulate himself. Another 5 gems
5
and
gems?
were yet to be found.
Oh my god. Oh, I think it's another one here. So, yeah, I think I should post here now. Wait, I have so much fun with these toys. Okay. So I will post here. And thank you guys for watching this video. And subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you guys next time. See you later, my friends.